It's on your pants.
Peanut butter.
Ew. Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing a top 5 resistance band exercises for your booty. I love resistance bands because they are super portable. You can take them with you everywhere and get a hell of a workout with them, especially if you use the high resistance ones. As always, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on that little bell so you get notified of my videos and you never miss another post. And you can also follow me on the grams. I got both Instagrams, fitness Instagram and regular, just like my life kind of Instagram. All right, so before we go into this workout, I wanted to do a quick little unboxing. I just got this package from Woman's Best. I did promise that I was gonna try out some new flavors for you guys, so here it is. So we've got the first product, which is this Shape Body Shake and chocolate coconut flavor. I already have this flavor for ISO Whey, but I wanted to get the Shape Body Shake with it. Next up, we've got moringa powder, which I've been dying to try. It's loaded with antioxidants and it also really helps with inflammation in your body. Next, we've got the L-Glutamine. This is an amino acid. The Amino and Energy actually does have this, but in a much smaller quantity than this serving, and this is also supposed to help with muscle growth and muscle repair. And then we've got the two products I'm most excited about, which is the Amino and Energy in watermelon and the BCA in fruit fusion. I'm gonna try it for you guys on camera and let you know how I like the taste, because I have not tried it yet. The link to shop all the Woman's Best products is in my description. You can go ahead and check it out. If you want to show me some support, you can shop through my link. Let's try this thing. It smells like a freaking Jolly Rancher. It smells so freaking good. I wonder what color it's gonna be. The watermelon Amino and Energy is like this blush color. How freaking cute. I'm gonna prepare this one too and then try them at the same time. Okay, this is a watermelon. Oh my god, I smelled it and I salivated. You know what it tastes like? Those sour mints. They're like watermelon flavor. Oh my god. Let's try the fruit fusion. Whoa. It tastes like fruit punch with a hint of bubble gum. I think I might like this one a little better. This one's good, but it's very like subtle. It's like a flavored water. This is like a freaking fruit punch. I love them both. But for today's workout, I'll be drinking the Amino and Energy because I need the energy. Maybe I'll give myself an extra little scoop, you know. To do this workout along with me, all you need is a resistance band. This isn't gonna be really like a full out workout. It's gonna be more me showing you the exercises. We'll do like 15 to 20 reps of each. I think you should do them along with me just so you get the hang of it, and then you can incorporate these exercises into your workout routine. You can do them at the gym or you can do them at home. And yeah, let's do it. So I've got the extra heavy resistance band around my legs so I can get a nice good workout. I know this doesn't look the most flattering because it's like squishes my legs. We're gonna start off with the first exercise, which is one of my favorites. It's one I discovered recently, and this one burned like a mother. This is a squat hip abduction, okay? So you're gonna start like this with your feet together. You're gonna go down to kind of like a little squat, and you're gonna abduct. Abduct means pushing away. So you're gonna bring one leg out to the side like this, and back this way. So if you're using a yoga mat, put your heels at the edge of the yoga mat like this and try to get this leg to reach the other end of the yoga mat. So squat down, reach, come back up. Other side, come back up. So staying low the whole time. We're gonna do 30 in total. Stay low. Whew, child. This is 10. Oh. Oh my god. That was 16. My legs are on fire right now. Whew. All right, make sure you stay low the whole time. 17. That's 20. So I'm gonna show you guys from the side so you can see my posture and what it looks like. So you're gonna sit back down. Make sure your knees don't pass your toes. So you're gonna go out and back. Oh my god, they're on fire. That was 3, so we got 7 more. Let's go, keep going. Almost there. And 30. Oh my gosh. This one burns so bad. Wow. Okay. This is so good. I can't even get over it. So now we've got side to side crab walk. So for this one, you're gonna go down into a squat position. Make sure you really stay low. Keep your weight in your heels so you feel it in your booty. So going down, you're gonna walk from one side to the other. So we're gonna do this 20 times. Stay low. As low as you can. That's 10. Now I'm gonna show you from the side, so you see what it looks like from the side. Let's do 10 more. Ready? Go. Oh my God. 5 more. And 20. Let me tell you, this extra heavy resistance band is no freaking joke. Speaking of which, the resistance band that I'm using, I will link it in my description. I think the pack of resistance bands I got comes with like 5 different levels of resistance. So that's an awesome pack to get because you can start where you feel is more comfortable, and as you get stronger, you can use another one from that pack. You don't have to like order a whole new resistance band. So yeah. Next up, we've got a squat to a kick out. So for this one, you're gonna get into squat position, up with apart. You're gonna squat down, and when you come back up, we're gonna kick out and back down. Kick out, back down. Let's do 20 in total. Keep going. That's 10. Now from the side. Sit your butt back. Ooh, I'm gonna hit this wall. So, ready? Sit your butt back. Kick. Other side. Let's go. 5 more. And 20. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and get down on the floor for the next 2 exercises. So now we've got fire hydrants, one of my favorite exercises of all time. This one really targets your booty, like, whoa. So we're gonna get into all 4 position. You're gonna lift up your leg like you're peeing on a fire hydrant, come back down. So really try to bring your leg up as much as you can. Try to make it parallel with the floor, okay? So try to bring it up all the way to here, but if you can't, just go as high as you can. So we're gonna do 50 on each side. Ten, 5 more. Almost there. And 15. Now the other side. And if you activate your glutes, which I did a glute activation video and I will link it down below as well. If you activate your glutes before this workout, you'll feel it even more. Like so much. All right, ready? Other side. Go up, back down. All the way up. Try to keep your upper body still. Make sure the rotation's coming from your hips. A few more. And 15. Alright, and last exercise, we've got clams. Of course, there are many more other resistance band exercises that you can do. I just tried to think of my top 5 for the booty and legs, but if you like these kind of exercises, definitely leave me a comment below, letting me know, and I will make more videos just like this one. Alright, let's go ahead and do some clams. So for the clams, you're gonna go ahead and get down on the floor, and this one is small but mighty, okay? It doesn't look like you're doing much, but believe me, you are. So you're gonna lay down on your side like this, resistance band still around your legs, and you're basically gonna open up your legs like this, come back down. The trick is not to let your pelvis rotate upward like this, because then you're not really working out the part of the booty you're supposed to. So even if you can't open up a lot, just try to push against the resistance as much as you can, and you should feel your booty flexing. So place your hand on your butt, go up, and if you feel your butt flex, you're doing it right. Up, back down. Try to keep your hips as still as you can. Keep your heels together. Let's do 15 on each side. Oh my God. A few more. Oh my God. And 15. Let's go ahead and switch sides. Oh my God, we're almost done. All right, ready? Other side. Hand on your hip to make sure it doesn't rotate too much. Up, back down. Keep going all the way up. Focus on using your glutes. Few more, almost there. And 15, and come back down. So these were my top 5 resistance band exercises for your booty and legs. Definitely give them a try, incorporate them into your workout, and leave me your feedback below. The links to the resistance band is in the description. The glute activation video is also in the description. You should definitely check that out. And all the Women's Best products, the link to shop them is in the description. Everything's in the description. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.